Hi everybody, this is Teresa. Hope everybody's having a great day. As you can see from my necklace and my t-shirt, I'm gonna do a Steve Harrington from Stranger Things makeup tutorial, inspired makeup tutorial going on with the video. And the two eye makeup looks are based on two role play acting videos I've done with like a Steve Harrington ASMR videos from the Muse. So thank you, the Muse Audio, for your awesome videos. And I've done some, so they know that I've been doing like reaction role play videos on some of the videos. So let's get on with the tutorial. So what these two makeup looks must have is that I have the Friends Don't Lie blush. It's right over here. It's a pink, matte pink blush, like bubble gum pink blush. And I put it like toward like the brown, like the brown bone, no, my brown cheekbone area on there to lift it up, you know. And then I also put, I'm going to show you right now. By the way, all the makeup that I've been using is like the eyeshadows, blush, and the lips. They're from MAC's Stranger Things collection. I still have all of them. Not 100% finished using it yet, but I'm starting to. So, yeah, from the class of 1986. They will both have Starcourt Mall. Again, it's a pink matte color. So I took my Essence blender brush and I'm going to put in my crease. Like this. Oh, it still shows up. It's fine. Okay. And then they will both have, again, I'm using the eyeshadows that are inspired by Steve. So Starcourt Mall, he worked in Scoops Ahoy with Robin. So, excuse me, the Scoops Ahoy is located in Starcourt Mall. So the next one, USS Butterscotch, is right over here, like a kind of like a bronzy color. So I'm going to take this with a flat shader brush from Wet n Wild. And I'm going to put it in the outer 3/4 of my outer lid. Okay, and so the next one, I'm going to take this pencil brush and I'm going to take Dingus. Gotta have, that's so Steve, that's Robin's name for Steve when they first worked together in Scoops Ahoy, and he got on her nerves and trying to make it smoother. Okay. Yeah. So same exact makeup looks. This is the difference between these two looks. So this one is based off of my road trip with Steve Harrington video. I plan to do it the third time around because I'm not satisfied with lines and timing and all that stuff. So this is a difference for my road trip look. So I'm trying to go a little bit more subtle, not too colorful, bam, you know. So I'm going to put Creel House It's this blue shimmery shade or frosty shade. I took a pencil brush, I dipped it, and I just put it in my outer, my 3/4 lash line, lower lash line, right over here like this. And then took the same, okay, my color sponge, and then I dipped this again with Demo Bat this time around. That's the creature who was trying to who bit Steve in the season finale of Stranger Things season 4. So what I did, I took this pencil brush, dipped Demo Bat in here, and I just put it in the inner corner like this. Okay. So that's the most colorful part of my look. The top looks fairly neutral. And then for my mascara, I used Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. It's the brown shade. The brown mascara. And I put in my lids so it's not going to be like my lashes will look natural in camera. So that's that. So this one, what I did was, the only thing I used from the Void palette, by the way, is the Krill House. So I can take any crease brush. I'm going to take this 217 MAC brush. Cute brush, by the way, and it looks like a pencil from Hawkins High School. So what I'm going to do, I'll take Krill House, this blue shimmery color, or just blue color or whatever, and I'm going to put it in my outer corner like this. And I'm going to put it like in the outer V. I don't want it way too dark. But this is, by the way, this is based on my Scoops Ahoy Steve Harrington Trains Me video that I just recently did about a week or two ago. And I'm very happy about my second time filming that video. Very, very happy. Showed it to friends, relatives. They love that video. And so, yep. Anything else? Oh, yes. I'm trying to look. Okay. And then this is my, oops. I used another Benefit mascara this time. I used the Bad Gal Bang blue mascara right over here. And I just put in my top lashes and the lower lashes. Anything else? Oh, so, for this, for the Scoops Ahoy inspired video look, I used the 2 lip glosses based on 2 of Steve's girls, as I call it. So I might as well do 1/2. Okay, so here's I'm gonna use Robin on this. This is what I wore for the Scoops Ahoy video. I used Robin right over here. You know what the hell, I'll just do the whole thing. Okay, so this is the Scoops Ahoy look. Okay. Gotta have Robin, wear the Robin lip gloss. Very 80s, fun. Playing teenagers, experimenting with makeup, bright colors, and stuff like that, while wearing that cute, sailor uniform. And then this is the for this look, which is, I call it the road trip with Steve Harrington look. I can use Erie L, for a neutral look. Or clear lip balm, whatever. Oh, looks very pretty for both looks. But I just feel like, well, I might as well, or I prefer to use Wild Wheeler, based off of another, the other Steve's girl, which is Nancy, his ex-girlfriend, who's dating Jonathan Byers. And there you have it. All right. Until my next video, whenever that is, peace out, bye, and good night.